You're there, man.
This is me and put that chip, I can't take that weight of you.
Eh?
I can't take that weight for you.
Up the Chappy say one thing?
Oh, man, see, I'm on the one expert like one here, one advice of the attack. We put it in the
Chappy!
Then God, my God, up the catchment. So we hope it's put it.
I don't know, my God, say I go use me. I know I'm not using it.
You got already passed that. The plum tree gone up. Oh, the gone up.
So I say, hotel.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Morning. Are you named Santa? Are you named Santa, sir?
Yeah, well,
What make me feel like I don't say go?
I feel like, I can't feel like, but you have to know.
No, what my spirit can't tell me, you know.
You have some money for Santa?
So you say about the money for your hardware?
No, you said I should share some money for the hardware. You should share some money for Santa.
No.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
Yeah, look at this.
No, sir, I used to look at it.
Look at the receipt, man. My phone, man. So, no, see Chappy?
Hey, you know
You better do me so.
No, man, I must use my
No,
phone.
I'm a Rasta man.
Oh, Ziggy. Go on. My son, this.
Hi, Ziggy. What you do?
Ah, you make them a black car?
no.
Where do my black come from? So Marjorie use red mall make black car?
Yeah, man.
Then the magic or something like that.
Marjorie, remember when you add a mall, there's a red mall, so white and red mall.
I used to remember like I go for a match, I just stick a take off.
The red black, them maybe tougher too.
See what we had do. The black shot up there.
What you do? Why you take so long for each of me? Oh, them carry up the tongue?
Yeah, the tongue.
Oh. Okay, so how things?
Yes.
Are you ready to play for your phone?
Yeah. Things can alright.
You have company this morning and it's just me and Marcel, whole heap of people down here.
There's no breakfast. Leave by your tank.
Same day.
Chappy Brown.
Chappy Brown.
Yeah.
Tongue deliver man, right?
Yeah.
Black or pack off now.
Yeah.
You did that on the farm?
Yeah, I'm going to try to see me can reach out now. Right, that's why.
Oh.
Yeah, man, zebra first deliver, man. Deliver Chappy Brown.
Yeah, man.
Black, you know?
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Where you come, you know?
Yeah.
Alright. Blessings to you. Where your hardware there again? Where your hardware there?
Zebra first, war stuff, you know?
War stuff. All sides, war stuff.
Outside. Zebra.
Yes.
Oh, zebra.
Well, I feel for discount. Good discount for him to buy black and tank, you know?
Yeah.
Never tell me about it.
Just a know.
How we get them, man?
Oh, get extra fit.
It's a half-inch pipe.
You know, to me, I'll give people half-inch pipe.
Everybody will buy it.
Now I'm to show them. Now I'm to buy it. Because you can put it up. Can I cut that?
Ah, tread tape.
No, I tread tape.
Ziggy, we can't cut it.
Yeah.
Ziggy.
Hey, son.
Oh, I'm amazing.
You know, want to
I mean, half-inch. You will find
Yeah,
half-inch.
fine, pipe up there.
Yeah, pipe, not sure.
Pipe supposed to.
Oh, okay.
I may have tangerines whenever I did
and you want to make sure you put it down a good place.
Yeah, man.
You pull it in a good place, turn over,
lose it.
burst.
Yeah, I'll fix up.
Make sure they pull it down.
Yeah, I'll fix up, man.
Yeah.
You know, but I'll put up, you know.
You can't see.
Just put it on, I say tomorrow and then come in.
You will fix it.
So we just carry up.
Oh, okay.
Right, this one?
Yeah, man. Anyone say you can't turn two places only.
People talk too long ago for hill.
Yeah.
Turn one.
Where? You come out from the side.
Right on the corner.
Yeah, man, zebra.
Last time, come on.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Last time, come on.
12 years now. 12 years now, I got 13 years, I come out of the house and nobody live. I don't see him neither and he come up a Starkey. And he come up a fish couple times, but I don't see him. Said day me come from hospital one day me in there. And I couldn't find yourself to go for the road to go.
Yeah, sick of the eye.
Yeah. Yes, Chappy, so you have your blocks delivered and your tank.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we want.
Thanks man for yeah, man. Special place left for them man alone. Yeah, special place for them man. Help people them kind of way man.
Yes, and you remember who sent the tank and the block?
Yeah man, remember, can't remember
The name Warrell and CB.
Right, Warrior and CV,
Yeah,
thankful man.
Yeah, man.
A place to them people, them man, help man.
Yes.
Help them kind of way, them man, have to give thanks.
Absolutely. So, special thanks to Warrell and CB.
Yeah man,
right?
special thanks man.
Always supporting you, Chappy.
Yeah.
You see? Out of black and the tank, which one is heavier?
Black heavier.
They charge, watch out, they charge $1,000 for deliver a tank, you know. The black, you know. Or $2,000 for deliver a tank. $1,000 for the black, $2,000 for the tank.
A tank expensive more.
Was it about to carry? I see about 1 mile to carry going now.
1 mile?
But you never know where you're going to carry it go before you come.
Yeah.
About a mile to carry go there.
Oh wait, which mile?
Hotel. Oh!
Hotel carry tank.
A hotel.
About 2 chain left, you know.
Yeah, about 2 chain.
About 2 chain.
Yeah, the hotel,
Hotel.
I want this tank.
I'm a family.
Are you family?
And that's why I carry.
Come on, brother.
Eh?
Oh man, you have a
Oh, 4 man, brother. Oh, yeah, man. How you mean, man?
you must know me, man. I used to live around a June court.
I may say Junior, your father. May I tell you, sir, my cousin? So me see all the way I run taxi, man.
Junior them just.
Yeah. You know?
Yeah, man.
What do you mean?
You sick, man.
So what they call your hotel?
Friend then give me.
I just tell him there upon my youth still, you know. Yeah, upon my youth.
They call him Horo.
Upon my youth, man. Yeah, man. So you say you don't run taxi?
Man call me all this.
You don't run taxi again?
Call me. Greenfield.
Are you drive? Are you drive hotel?
No, Santa drive no car on, so I mean drive it okay.
Oh.
Drive car.
He's around here so bad.
I'm not really original.
So not finished now?
Yeah, camera.
All right, bless upon yourself.
Sometimes you can't be from all girl, man.
Mayon.
Yeah.
I said I'm supposed to work with. Yeah, man. And that's why we can't get you to do every time we see our party.
Santa para di dedo. Santa in para di dedo. Remember? And in para, I know them people long time.
Yeah.
Long time I must attack you so far to it. I must attack you so far up now. Over there, in para. Drive it up on para. Drink.
Okay. All right, Santa, thank you. Yes, man, all right.
Yeah.
All right, Chappy, make we go see tank.
Any time cover?
Me no know, remember say, we never see it since you come in.
What?
Your cover never come up.
You cover myself on the tank.
Oh, that's too holy. May I say that? Is that right?
Oh, Chappy, this a trench you did I dig out this morning?
Yeah.
Oh,
See if we can.
you dig it out pretty though. Almost like I see what you do.
Yeah, I tell you.
Chappy plant skilly and one root.
Yeah, but she put there now, you know, we take a later too, you know.
Then soon come up, man.
I watch one more today. That 3 did there. Then me just like me, you know where the 2 gone. I make me back around so. To make sure anybody knows that my sister did there, I know. So if I come on, I see this, I know say gone.
Yeah.
I dry tank on the side, come on.
I'll push it. Come here, so I'm rolling.
How can I say you set up it?
You have to set you up here so to catch your water.
Oh, then you carry water, go down the road there, so.
Yeah, so if I have the water, easy, I have to go down. For that, I have to look for them, I jump, go down, go full up then I jump. So when we catch you up here, so now, when they don't know, place don't know, we can carry down there.
You have to go wash off the Chappy.
Oi, what if I'm mud?
You soon jump off water.
It's big door.
The big man. Outside.
I just stick
Can
that
say you
in.
can put it right there, so. That's alright, I'll put it.
650 gallon.
650. Go for water, that's the one.
Only for water. Yeah.
Same old line of some black person now. Put up behind them, we try.
This blizzard I come from, brothers.
You see, from where they didn't just jump on my face.
He fat too, you know.
Yeah.
Big fat
I'm
lizard.
still on the bed, I feel run up on my foot.
So you not jump on none of them?
No, so I'm not scared of them.
Yeah, if them a jump on you, look how them Likkle and jump on you.
I go in the back room and I come back in and I want to jump in my face. Yeah, maybe I hope pregnant for me. I hope my family also pregnant. Somebody must say somebody else pregnant, make them come for me. So
Somebody pregnant.
so there's a somebody pregnant in the family.
Lizard jump on them.
Run up on you and run up on me after I slump on me and they crawl up on my foot. Yeah, that's how it is.
So Chappy, you say they get you with the gas?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
We got parts and I get it come on and I take it by gas.
Good. Right. So the Orland CB, in addition to sending donation to buy the tank for you and the blocks, had sent monetary donation. So we'll give you that in a moment here.
Yeah.
But we want to use the opportunity to say thanks to Orland CB for always supporting the work that we do, supporting the channel, and also for consistently supporting Chappy Brown.
Yeah, man, good people, man.
Yes.
God know. And everybody bad never.
Yeah.
You understand?
More good than bad.
Yes, yeah, more good, more bad. But bad, they make it look like most of them bad. You understand?
Yeah.
See how half-inch pipe can cut off?
Yeah, man, that pipe there about there, and that hose pipe there about you can find.
Yeah.
Don't tangent.
You find tangic to man, me buy one tangic when you have tangic, they work there doing.
I say the hardware give it 2 pieces of fitting as discount.
Yeah.
I don't know what this name. Lock off. And this.
Yeah.
I don't know. But they gave us this
can put it
reducer. Yeah.
Put it on the piece of hose and lock off the water when you're ready.
Yes, man.
Yes, Father. Give thanks and give
thanks. You have to put the tank by your step, Chappy.
You say I put the fix up this. You say I fix up this up.
But it look like him gets good water here, so to cast the 2 full of.
Yeah, man. Water, I do wake up here so short, but enough water come down there.
Yeah.
2 drum full as they say one.
They say 2 drum full as they say one.
Yeah. Then right now that since week if we push up on Sunday.
Here, Chappy.
Full already.
So the lock off here, Chappy.
I get far up. Yeah.
No, but I last seen her. I have to go in.
No, man.
Let's drop them here. You have to just remember, see how they say you drop them.
You come in, you take up and you drop it too hard.
Yeah, try to remember where they.
Remember where they, man. Then I come see the white different one.
Alright, Chappy.
I want to finish script what I got.
Yeah, so we are going to head back down now.
Yeah.
So once again, thanks to everyone.
Thanks again to everybody. Everyone who said things to me, man, I make me happy.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you, Royal and CB. Thank you to everyone who continue to support the channel. Blessings to you, and thank you for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe, and bye-bye.
Yeah. Respect, man.
Yeah.
Big respect. More gratitude. God know.
Yeah.
You want to thank you for catch water, man.
And I know you want to thank catch water, not true?
Long time I say I want to drive past through you already. I drive past through you, man. I know water, and I say one of them want to bathe and wash up 2 plates and me want to spring up the sun. Time I go up there spring, man. I catch one of them walk it your water, man. Pass your house, man. Pass your house, Mr. Man. Pass your house on the side there. And I know me walk and go down through some grass and go down through game and go and part and I go down some catch my breadfruit, I see some breadfruit leaf. And I say, blow, you was part me there. And I say, I know for you this. Yes, I say, I will not day and go, you know. And then I cut back at this house, back at the house, so. I say, well, go back to so then for my, come back up so then for breadfruit tree down so me know, so I say, come back up so. Yes. And I cut back out so one bamboo, I come out there so. And when I look at it again, I could pick me a spring. I go on there so, water, I water on. And they say, when we did this, I do. We did jug, a white jug with the water. I say, boy, you know, so up a spring we go. And last year, if you come to my yard.
So you carry water so much more further than...
Yeah, I wonder how you take so long to reach the
Oh, man, I tell you, see, that idea is a day. I go through some tall grass over there, and I say, now with him, I will part there, so I walk with her. I go down and want to go to where long I say, I even know where me part, go across the breadfruit tree, right down where you can see one breadfruit tree, way down and foot down there, so man.
That's about down a road?
Down a road, they turn.
Oh, no.
They want about a train or two if you go down the road, if you catch that road. So I switch back here, so back at this house. And I hope they come see me, man. And she again come and take it on the water. And carry down the road. And you could be about 3 years old. He say, make me hold your hand. And he hold me, I lead you down and he hold me hand and lead me down the road. Up to last night, I give him $5 to go to school this morning. He said, he say, make me carry you down the road, lead you down the road. He tell me when he say, you remember.
Oh, because she is small.
Yeah, he say, you remember, I'm about 3 at the time. And push on the water, 3 pounds of water when I go over. End up lose the pound of water, you know. For it dry, you know. And round the house, there are pure dry grass come round the house. And right, just have to park it even there. Jamie, don't know light here, over here. Of course, bad weather there. Mad there. Man, light the place of fire, you know, go burn on your house, you know. The grass half a burn and you have to grow on the door, pure dry grass hang over your house, so the grass ain't moving all the way. A pure dry grass hang over your house and you say the house have burn on like that, you know. And pan of water alone, funny.
Oh no. So you have to use the pan of water out fire?
The pan of water have to use out the fire.
But a good thing you did have it.
But I know that's the reason why you did take so long to reach with the water.
God make it happen so.
Yeah.
Yeah, me say,
you don't reach the house with the water instead.
I say, God make it happen so all the idea, you know. But who would I go there so? In fact, me would even look upon it for me wouldn't know say down there born.
Yes.
If me say come here so and catch us and go further. Me wouldn't know say it's a born if he come there and light it.
Yeah.
Till he burn down. So me don't know. Because I have a folk up there, just have to was a building one nice folk up there. And when my morning I go down there, flat down, you know.
Burn down?
Burn down flat. You know, nice to go folk, you could live in it.
You could have lived in it?
I was.
Not to eat.
No.
It's all up, you know, and gravy inside, inside have space, you know, have space, man. Could I live in there, Mr. Man, then start me come on, you know, live in there.
You're not living there.
Yeah, I know if you go and go to sleep, and I say, no, wait, you know, good.
Not true.
Yeah,
Not true,
good,
Chappy.
Yeah, sleeping on that, when I sleep on that tree. And I have cover much more.
All right, Chappy.
Yeah, man, we give thanks again, man. And we give thanks to you, know, the planting.
Yes, man. All right, blessed love, everyone. Bye-bye.